ang kooperatiba po kasi, di ba, ang kanyang ginagamit ay pera ng mga kasapi.
Yes.
So definitely, we do business among also with the members. So yung ma-generate niyang sinasabi nating income, actually there's no such as income in cooperative. Kasi ang tawag po natin doon is net surplus. So ibig sabihin, it is an excess doon sa kanyang na-generate na tinubo, no, versus doon sa kanyang inutang. Kaya ang tawag is net surplus. So definitely, kung net surplus at hindi yan net income, bakit natin kailangan taksan? And in the first place, yung pera na ginamit po doon is pera ng member na yung net surplus na yun will be distributed among members. So, hindi ko makita at hindi talaga po dapat na ang co-op ay mataksan because it is a money of the members, no, na nagkaroon lang ng excess and at the end, ibabalik din po sa kanila kasi excess nga po yun. So napaka-simpleng situation, no, yung scenario na we will always fight for the tax exemption of cooperatives because of that principle.
Thank you, Ma'am Lily. Sir,